Okay, so we gotta get the we gotta cut that back. All right. Okay, so we'll take care of that. Okay, so as you can see, we're progressing nicely. The fireplace is going. We're doing the working fireplace, like I said before, so we can see through the window. As you can see, it's stone on the outside, and all this brick in here is just basically a brick, leftover brick. It's just a filler brick that we need inside the fireplace. And then from here, you know, the brickies have the going to use the fire brick down here. Go ahead and finish the inside of the. That's going to be the inside fire brick. To use special mortar or glue that comes with that to go ahead and do the fireplace. To use the proper thermal mortar that's needed for the fireplace. So as you can see, we're progressing nicely. We're going to go right up, and the place is looking great. All right, great. So as you can see, the fireplace is coming along, and it looks fabulous. And then don't forget when you do the, if you have a TV above the fireplace, you can put your cable and your speaker wires if you're going to run a TV above your fireplace. So as you can see, we're just finishing off, and we're going to be on to the next stage.
I don't think so. You need those pictures. You want to watch all the rest of my life? Okay, so